Hi guys, my name is Irfan. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, basically from India, and uh, I've been practicing orthopedics for a long time. I've been out of touch for the other specialties, and I decided to take up MRCS exam. And for the last 3 months, I was doing self-study, and I was not feeling comfortable to face the exam. Uh, then I found this website of excellence for MRCS, and I wanted to give it a try. When I contacted Dr. Hassanat and Dr. Rifat, they were very cooperative for me, and they did all they could and helped me secure a visa to travel in time to attend this course. And when I came here, it was a very pleasant surprise for me. The venue was excellent, and the way the course was organized, true to its name, it's excellent. And I found it was a very refreshing experience, and I gained a lot of confidence to face my exam. And I got trained for most of the stations, particularly the skill stations, the phone call stations, and I'm very happy, and I'll tell all my colleagues that this was one positive step which will make difference for me in taking up the MRCS examination. Thank you.